Hi, welcome to Pardon My Frenchie. This is me, 143. If you don't have a friend, you have one now. Today's edition, we have a bunch of visitors with us today, which you will see them hopefully here soon. We've got a pack of dogs here. We've got Coco and Lola and Noir and Rosie. Rosie will be around here soon too. Noir's kind of off navigating. But yeah, so today we're discussing the joys of having a bunch of different dogs in one pack, and just how you can have a lot of different breeds together, and as long as you acclimate them, any dogs can get along. I know that a lot of times people fear that was a big deal on some of our Frenchie websites that I belong to, that people were saying, oh, do French Bulldogs get along with other dogs? And Lola's a boxer, Noir's a bully, and then, Rosie's a French Bulldog, Coco's a French Bulldog. Actually, Rosie and Noir love each other. I mean, they're really good little friends. So, but I think any dog, as long as they're acclimated together and as long as they, everything is introduced well and you do the right, you take the right steps, you're smart about feedings and when it comes to bones and toys and things like that, I think everything can work out, the way it's supposed to be. But you have to be smart, because dogs are still dogs in the long run. No matter what, a dog is still a dog. They still have, their dog instincts. They're still, pack animals. So, they have their, instincts with regards to that. But, regardless, they're a dog. As much as we like them and love them, and we treat them like people. Bottom line is they still have their dog instincts. So we have to be smart and stay away from situations that can lead to bad situations of like dog fights and all that those kinds of things. That's what we did when Noir is my daughter's dog, and when we introduced Noir to my dogs, we did it very slow. We did it outside. We took our time, and she came in the house, and we introduced him outside, and we took her in the house, and then then the other dogs met her and kept everything pretty quiet, and everything went well from there. So, and then the little one, Rosie and Noir, really, they just kind of hit it off together. Lola didn't care either way, and then Coco just kind of does her own thing all the time anyways. So yeah, but that's the beauty of when you own multiple dogs, and Noir comes and visits quite a lot. So we knew that we'd have to, we had to have them be able to be together because there was going to be a lot of visits. So it was very important. But it's like I said, you always still, no matter what, have to have the boundaries and make sure that you're taking the right steps to be smart, so that nobody gets hurt, none of the dogs get hurt, no people get hurt, and Noir just hit my thing, my tripod. But yeah, so anyways, it's a good thing. It is a very good thing. And like I said, as long as everybody's acclimated, then everybody can live in happiness. Like everybody can be happy, right? So until next week, if you don't have a friend, you have a few now. So hit that like or subscribe button. If you have a story that you'd like to share, and we're actually looking for people that would like to share their pet loss and grief stories, you can please email me at PARDONMYFRENCHIE, this is me, at yahoo.com. We would love to hear from you. The email address will be in the comment section below. Thanks a lot. Until next week, have a good day. Bye-bye. Oh. That's Noir saying bye-bye. Bye-bye. Boop, boop. All right.